Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. I know I did real fried potatoes on my Blackstone Griddle, but I want to do some of the frozen potatoes on my Blackstone Griddle. And so these are good in a pinch. I call them frozen French fry rejects because it looks like maybe the end pieces or something. But it's usually just called Southern hash browns, and I just buy the off-brand kind. They're just as good. So I've let these set out on my counter for a couple of hours. Some of them are thawed, some of them's not, but that gives them a head start. But I want to go ahead and season them now instead of when I get them on the griddle, because you don't want to just keep turning and turning and turning your potatoes a lot. So I'm going to pour just a little bit of oil on there, just so the seasonings can stick to it. And you can use any kind that you like. I would be using the Sang stir fry oil, but I am out of that and got to go get some. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to add my onions. And you can also add some bell peppers, whatever you like. And so I'm going to season mine with some kosher salt, some black pepper, and some of this adobo that's got garlic and stuff in it. And it'll be real good. And I got a new gadget to use on my griddle that I'll show you when I get out there. While my griddle's heating up, I'll show you my new product that I got. It's a lid that you can put over your vegetables, or if you want to melt some cheese. You just put it on there, and that's how I'm going to cook my potatoes with it. Now, if you're interested in anything that I use, I do have links in the description box below that you can check it out. Now, we are having smash burgers too. That's why I'm heating up my griddle. You can cook the burgers on that side, and I'm going to cook the potatoes and onions on this side. I have my griddle. It's very hot. So I'm going to put some oil down, lay my potatoes down, and then I'm going to turn my heat down to medium on this side because I don't want my potatoes cooking fast at first. I want them to get done, then we can brown them up. Alright. You want me to do it?
There you are.
Thank you, thank you. Now, this might splatter because, well, it didn't. It didn't splatter at all. Now, since I already have them seasoned, I can just spread them out. Squirt a little water on there, and then cover them up. Now, the water helps to steam it some. There we go. That's nice. So I'll bring you back when I go to turn it, but I am going to turn my heat down just a little bit. Now you need to be careful, and I have to remind myself that this will be hot, but this on top is like a rubber piece. So, but I will go get me a UV glove to put on, but it's not that hot right now. Now, once I go to brown them up, I will remove the cover and spread them out more. I'm just doing this because I want them to steam a little bit and to get tender. I'm going to add a little bit more water. And I'll bring you back. This is how we do our smash burgers. Just take it and smash it and smash it. Season it real well. And then once it gets done on that side, flip it, season them again, and they're done. It don't take long at all. Kind of reminds us how Steak and Shake does theirs. And I personally like thin burgers. So, but that's our smash burgers. And see, we flipped them. And now they're just about done. We're about to pull them off the griddle. Okay, I've turned them a couple of times and put water on there. So let me see if they're ready, if they're tender enough. Yep. Now I can spread them out and let them get brown and then call them done. I'm going to love this. We get many uses from it. My son just said, Mother, how are you opposed of putting some ranch seasoning on it? So we're going to sprinkle a little ranch seasoning on here. They're almost done. Now I call these ranch potatoes. Okay, I'm going to let them get just a little bit of color on them. My son's done tried them. And they are done. I'm going to spread them out, crank up the heat a little bit, and then I will meet you inside. Okay, it's time to try them. I love frying my potatoes out on my griddle because you don't use a lot of oil or anything like you do inside, and it just gives them a better taste, and especially these frozen ones. Delicious. Very good. So whenever I'm like cooking something already on the griddle and I want to make potatoes or something, then I plan other stuff to cook on the griddle too. And so it just makes life easier, and it's easier. It don't take near as long. It's easy cleanup and everything gets done quick. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And I know a lot of people have been asking me for more air fryer videos. I promise they will be coming. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Links will be in my description box below. Bye, y'all.